Hello everyone. Today I'm going to edit portrait orientation videos on iMovies. So let's get to it. Let's open iMovie. So over here you can import your media. I have my video file saved on desktop. So okay, here it is. Import selected. So this is my video. I've taken a short video in this so that I can explain it to you better. Now I want to remove this tripod that is visible on my video. So instead of pulling the video down over here, instead of dragging this, let's edit the video first over here. So we click this video, and then we click the crop button, we crop it. I pull the dimensions over here so that this gets edited out, and I press the blue tick here. So now the video is cropped, as you can see. Now you can pull the video down. You can trim it in whichever way you want. You can crop it, delete some bits in the middle if you want, and then we export it to the desktop. Okay, so you can set all the dimensions or whatever you want. For this video I'll do the quickest bit so that I can show it to you how to do it first. So you can call it whatever. You can call it I'll call it cropped video. Okay, now as you will see from the dial here that the video is being cropped. Now since it's a 9-second video, the cropping is fast. The longer the video, the higher the quality. The procedure will be slower. So now as you can see, my cropped video will be saved automatically. This is the cropped video. All right. Now as you can see, the video is completely cropped and it's ready to be uploaded to any of your apps like Instagram, YouTube, or wherever you post your videos. Alright, thank you for watching everyone.